just, like, I'm already ready to come home, and I haven't even left yet. Ew. I just brushed my teeth. Today better be a good day, I swear to God. Well, I forgot I had a math assignment online, so now I have to do that sometime today before 6th period, because 6th period is when I have math. I'm freezing. It's literally like nothing degrees. What's the weather today?
In Apple Valley, it's 35 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly cloudy skies. Today, you can look for lots of clouds, with a high of 57 degrees and a low of 35 degrees.
I'm wearing sweats. I already knew I was, but... and a hoodie. I really don't want my vlogs to be the same every single day, so I'm gonna try to do something different tomorrow. I mean today, after school. I don't know. Let's go. Because this is my new thing. This is the fit. Yeah, I'm gonna put some socks on. I do not have a shirt under, because who wears a shirt under their hoodie? Oh, my good hair. Forgot my... Am I wearing Vans socks with these? Yeah. But can anybody see it? No. I got Nike socks for Christmas, so I won't be crossbred. And it looks kind of stupid. And I wear glasses, so it's extra stupid. Okay, no beanie. We're just gonna have to do. Well, not me. Me. I'm at 92%. These sweats are so comfy. Should wear them more often. If you know what IXL is, let me know. Tell me if you hate it, because I hate it. Okay, yeah, see. Ooh, I keep getting a 90 and then I get one wrong and it goes all the way down. Oh, I also wanted to say that instead of doing like 25 days of Vlogmas, because I do get busy and I have school and I have shit to do, I'm going to just do like filler uploads. So like not every single upload is going to be a vlog. Like yesterday was the gingerbread houses and today is going to be a vlog. Today is December 3rd, and so then tomorrow will probably be a vlog too. So like basically whenever I can't do a vlog, I'm going to put a normal video up, but I'm going to try to upload 25 days in a row. Just not every single video will be a vlog. Stay with me. So yeah, also when me and my family do stuff together as a family, me and my mom vlog on the same camera. It's gonna be the same footage. I don't know what to tell you. So if our vlogs end up looking similar, it's because we did the same shit together. I don't know what to tell you. And yeah, somebody complained about it. I don't know who it was, obviously I'm not gonna call them out, but like somebody commented like, isn't this the same vlog as PAX from yesterday or something like that? And it's like, yeah, but I mean, it was mainly the ending of it that was the same, because we did the same stuff and like we hang out together when I'm off, like, you know, like, I don't know. Yeah, I did math on that stupid IXL and it did me dirty. So that's great for me. flattering. You can't hear me.
Put a linkage bar from the machine gun to the propeller. That the machine gun would only fire when you pulled the trigger as the propeller was sideways. And since a machine gun fires 500 bullets per minute, and a propeller spins about 500 times per minute, could you synchronize that up? So the gun always fired when the propeller was sideways. The Germans figured it out. They put it on their planes. Now you have your guns right in front of you. So you can shoot your gun and you can see exactly what you're shooting at. Now, the British
is the big ideas box.
Okay.
So at the bottom of your notes, if you ran out of space, you can
Buy some Roman, never like it.
Ew, no thanks.
You don't really taste it. What is when he see me?
I mean, look, I have a really long nose.
You know how they are like this, like salami. Like
That's not nice.
I
can't even look there.
Cuando me mandan text aquí, sale.
¿Ah, sí?
Ya,
Oh,
vibra y puedo leer el text. No tengo que agarrar el teléfono.
No, está bueno.
Mira.
It was silly, it hates you. Ew. That was nasty. Ah! I think the girl fell in love with me. I just got home. It's 6, almost. I'm about to read drama from Melissa Violet, because I'm interested. Okay, well, I'm gonna go read this and watch The Office with Pumbaa and eat something and shower. This is the same meal like always, tofu and rice. It's a little bit because I'm not as hungry, and ginger. It's 7:30. I just finished yesterday's vlog. So if you haven't seen it, go watch it. Thank you very much. I'm gonna go get my homework because I have homework. I sat at home for an hour because I went to my grandma's house after school till like 6, and then till 5:30, and then I got home at 5:44, something like that. I don't even know. And then I'm gonna shower at like 9 or something. Who even knows? Because I have homework. I have a whole notebook. Not a whole notebook. I have a notebook to do. I'm not looking forward to it. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm doing my homework.
Chase?
Who did that?
My browser.
How long it took to freaking... Here.
Can we just count how many times I've done this? Oh, hold on. I've done this, this, and this in Vlogmas. Because, oh my god, I was editing my vlog from yesterday. I did that so many times. Somebody should do a count every time I do it. In every vlog, like, and I'll pin it.
But I'll at least be able to do this. Where's my... I don't have my phone. 300, 400 pounds, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1200.
No.
So like,
Yeah.
as you...
Okay, so I'm in the shower right now. It's 8:50. Oh, that was ugly. It's 8:50, and I need a shower. Finished my homework. Chunk of my eyebrows gone. How cute. I'm turn the water on. Alright, I'm gonna go shower. Hi. Oh, I look really bad. Wow. I just did my hair, obviously. I got out of the shower. Now I'm gonna go watch The Office until my mom gets out of the shower, and then we're gonna do like some haul thing for her video. I don't really know. I'm looking like a hotel right now. I'm drinking a bunch of water. I'm drinking water.